Hello students, Miss Slyman here, and now we're into topic 3.1 in your syllabus. So these are the basic concepts of logic. First, let's start with the definition of mathematical logic. So mathematical logic is the parts of math concerned with the study of formal languages, formal reasoning, the nature of proof, and provability of mathematical statements. So really what we're combining here is language and mathematics. And so let's start with the idea of a proposition. Propositions are statements. Remember from your English classes that statements are going to end with periods or could be thought of as sentences. So propositions, today is Friday, 4 is greater than 5, 2 plus 2 equals 4, Paris is in England. Notice a proposition is not a command. A command would be like me telling you to go get the book. A question, have you seen my calculator? A proposition is a statement, a single sentence, the man is walking. Propositions can be true or false. So when we discuss propositions in math, the notation we're going to use are generally the letters P, Q, and R, and we set those up such that we would write our variable and then what the sentence is. Again, they can be true or false. This is still a proposition even though it's false. So a single proposition could be true or false. So together, two propositions, well, either they could both be true, one could be true and the second could be false. The first one could be false and the second one could be true, or they could both be false. So for two propositions, there's 4 different possible outcomes of their truthfulness or their falseness. When we're making a truth table is a way of listing all of our answers or listing all of the possibilities. So truth tables allow us to list all the possibilities for truthfulness and falseness. Always start in the first column by taking your total number of columns and dividing it in half, and then doing half trues and half falses. Then with that half, again divide it in half to list truths and falsenesses, and that will give you all your possibilities.